Login failed on SigFig App Fix. You open the SigFig app, ready to check your portfolio performance or automated investments, but instead, you see login failed. It can feel like something's wrong with your account, but most of the time, the fix is quick and simple. First, make sure your internet connection is solid. Weak Wi-Fi or unstable mobile data is one of the main reasons login attempts fail. Try switching between Wi-Fi and cellular, or turn airplane mode on and off to refresh your network. Next, check for app updates. Go to the App Store or Google Play, search SigFig, and tap Update if one is available. Older app versions often lose compatibility with recent security or server updates, leading to login errors. Now, re-enter your login details manually. Don't rely on autofill. Many people get locked out because their saved password is outdated. Enter your email and password carefully, or reset your password through the Forgot Password option if needed. If that doesn't work, clear your app's cache. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, SigFig Storage, Clear Cache. On iPhone, uninstall and reinstall the app. This clears out old or corrupted files that can cause background login issues. Also, if you're using a Wi-Fi, try turning it off. SigFig servers may block login requests from masked or international IP addresses for security reasons. Disabling your PIN often restores access immediately. If the issue continues, try logging in through the SigFig website. If that fails too, the servers might be temporarily down. Just wait a few minutes and try again. So, when you see login failed on the SigFig app, don't stress. The fix usually comes down to 5 quick steps. Check your connection, update the app, re-enter your credentials, clear your cache, and turn off your VPN. With that, you'll be back to tracking your investments and optimizing your portfolio in no time.